Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers for the love. I very much appreciate you guys, and if you're new to my channel, thank you for the click. Please do subscribe. So today I'm going to be showing you my daily Loc moisturizing routine. Yes, so I've been getting messages from people asking me how I maintain my hair, what I put in my lock, so I decided to do a video of it. So let's get straight into the video. Water, coconut oil, glycerin oil, tea tree oil, Cantu shea butter moisturizing oil, in my spray bottle. So first off, I start by putting some water in my spray bottle, and then some coconut oil, and glycerin oil, tea tree oil, some of the Cantu shea butter daily moisturizer, so give it a shake, and then I spray. Generously. That's pretty much it. And for my locks, for my scalp, what I do once every 2 weeks is wet my hair and apply some coconut oil or avocado oil to my scalp, and then massage from my scalp to my length. So I do that once every 2 weeks. That's pretty much it. So nothing major, very simple but yet very effective. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.